This is the Yesoul G1 Plus. Phenomenal bike so far. Uses 6 different languages, ginormous monitor, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, good workouts, good software, low price. You can get some free weights. Well, today I'm gonna give it a spin, no pun intended. But check this video out, hope you enjoy. And woo, I'm getting my workout on now. Let's get it. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today I'm going to be bringing you the Yesoul G1 Plus. Now this bike, it's a spin bike, but it's also an at-home workout bike. So first things first, putting the bike together was so easy. I mean, it pretty much comes assembled. You just need to put the feet on, put little portions of it on, and it was so quick. It was less than 20 minutes I had this bike together. They even give you all the tools you need to actually put it together. So don't worry about assembling it. It pretty much comes assembled. It is a heavy box, so be sure you have someone to help you lift it. But nonetheless, the bike is easy to put together. Attaching the monitor probably was the most work I did, but that wasn't even work either because it's pretty much simple. 4 bolts and it's on. Use a ratchet, tighten it down, and you are good to go. So after you assemble the bike, you want to go ahead and connect it to Bluetooth. So you will need some kind of smart device, smart phone or a tablet to get this device going, to take advantage of the bike, I should say. Like most bikes like this, you need to have some kind of smartphone or a tablet to set it up. And with this bike, you have to use it that way as well. And I'll explain that in just a second. So after you get the bike assembled, whip out your smartphone, fire up the app, register, and then you get on the bike and you start pedaling, and it'll tell you, hey, this is how you can fire up the Bluetooth. It's kind of strange, but I didn't even really have to pedal too much. As soon as I powered the bike on, plugged it up, I started to get on the bike to pedal, and then the bike popped up instantly. So I didn't get much of a workout in that sense. However, after you get the bike set up, you'll be prompted to connect it to Wi-Fi, your home Wi-Fi. So you want to make sure you have a 2.4 gigahertz band available. Now my house is pretty much 5 gigahertz, but I do have that 2.4 gigahertz IoT band set up for reasons like this, to run products that don't run on 5 gigahertz. So after the Wi-Fi setup, super quick, super easy. After that, you get into the software on the bike. So the first thing, before I get to, well, let's go ahead and talk about it right now. Let's talk about the monitor. Now, the monitor is just that, a monitor. It doesn't have a touchscreen functionality. It does, in fact, have speakers, but it is just a monitor. So if you were hoping to go up to this bad boy and touch it and interact with it, ooh, nope, no can do. Everything is controlled through the application. Now, this could be a good or a bad thing depending on who you are, but I would love to see them with a new model that is full touchscreen. You don't need an application to set it up. Still hook it to Wi-Fi, do all these different things, but just do everything through that beautiful, ginormous monitor back there. It is very nice. Speakers have way more bass than I thought they were going to have as well too. So once you get it set up, you will need to use your phone or whatever you set it up with, your tablet, with the application to actually pick your workout. It'll even tell you, go ahead and go to and pick a workout, because it is just that, a monitor. Now I've read some places that people are using other streaming services with it. I didn't try because this is actually a workout device. I didn't want to get it and sit on it all day watching TV or watching movies, whatever. But they do have workout programs that you can actually do, and I decided to start with the beginner one on there. So I just pretty much picked a beginner series. I'm going to go ahead and start that. I obviously didn't finish it, but I'm going to start it. And I'm going to see how it works out for me. So obviously I do bike ride, and I also do hiking as well. And right now with our weather, it's 115, 110, like constantly. So I'm not going out in that heat. And this is a good thing. This is where it comes in. So again, if you're on the fence about some type of bike like this, give this one a shot. I mean, it's under 500 bucks. Now it will come in 2 separate packages, but you get the monitor and, you know, the bike, and it, for under 500 bucks, there's really not much competition out there offering that type of quality at that price. So just trying it out alone is going to be worth your while, and I'm sure you'll like it. So the software, very intuitive, not much to it. Once you go to your phone, you pick an application or you pick a workout, it'll appear on the bike. That's it. And you start the workout. Now in the beginners, I think no matter who you are, start with the beginner program, even if you're advanced and everything, so you can get the feel of their software. Because you do have virtual instructors, and they're going to tell you different things about the positioning of your hands and the bike and different things. So I've never done a spin class, but I have obviously rode the trails and done things like that, and I ride the bike a lot. I used to when it wasn't so hot. But this is a good alternative to, for me, not going outside in the heat, and I still get a good workout. Now, taking a look at the bike itself, the bike itself is the hardware on it is actually really sturdy, really strong. I didn't see any kind of weight requirements. I didn't look either, but I'm up just a little over 220, and so you know, it holds me perfectly fine. 6'4", about 225 or so, and you know, you read the fine print for weight if there is a weight requirement. I didn't see one, but this bike is built very well. And I don't think many people will have a problem with it, to be honest. It is super sturdy, super strong. Quality is really, really good. You do get free weights as well, 1 kilogram of free weights. You get 2 of those. They're positioned at the back of the bike. So, because you don't have to actually ride the bike for all the workouts, there are different workouts that you can actually do, and you can just tilt the screen towards you, away from the bike, face it this way, or whatever way you need to face it to get an open room, and you go ahead and work out. And then you go back to whatever you're doing with the other portion of the workout, whether it's partial bike ride or fitness training on hand, whatever it is. It's programs for it in the software. So you do have the option to buy a membership. I suggest if you're going to buy this, you might as well test the membership out and get the full benefits of each workout. So again, hardware and everything is super strong on there. You do get the weights, and it's just a good, well put together bike at a really low cost. I think the only thing I ran into was how comfortable the seat was after a while. The seat it can be, you know, for me, it's a little tough to be on this little seat. However, seats can be changed. You can change the seat, but this seat does have cushion, but it was a little uncomfortable for me after a while. And so I'll probably swap it out for a bigger, wider seat. Your choice. I mean, some people that I see review this bike, I didn't hear many people say much about the seat, but for me, the medical issues that I have warrant me to probably change the seat out, and that's probably what it is. But nonetheless, the seat is somewhat comfortable. It's just a little small for my taste. But overall, you get easy instructions for setup. Assembly, it pretty much comes assembled. Ginormous monitor. Wish it was a touchscreen. Wish it was more interactive. Wish it was pretty much just a big giant tablet, so I can do everything from the actual monitor itself and really take advantage of that. But for now, it's just a monitor. It has really great speakers. Other than that, it's a great workout bike. So if you're thinking about grabbing it, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm going to get back to doing some spinning. Yeah, that was corny. I shouldn't end like that. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Take care.